Yeah, that's one of the baby right there. Alright. Sit.
Know that you're afraid, it feels like every day things are slipping away, you're slipping away, and you think back to a time that you were lost. Thoughts disorganized, can't seem to dry your eyes, and chaos is collapsing from your mind. And you say that you're fine, but now you're out of time.
Yo. Wagwan. Chef Young D right here. Alright guys, as you can see, today I'll be doing an unboxing video. I never do an unboxing video before, right? This is my first unboxing video. Alright guys, the other day I did an outdoor cooking video. And I was looking at the video and I said, yo, you know, that video look good because the whole scenery and so forth. It's just the whole fact that it shoot outdoor. And you have the blue skies and you have the beach. And you have the birds and everything. It just look nice, you know. So I said to myself, say, yo, you know that video that look more better if it have some aerial shot of the place, you see me? So I said, yo, I'm going to invest in a drone, you know, right? Actually, it cost me a fortune still, I'm not like in a cheap. I pay $620 something for this, right? And this is not even the fly mode combo. You have the fly mode combo, which is more expensive. That comes with 3 extra battery. It comes with some extra propeller, and it comes with some other little stuff, right? That is actually 200 more. I couldn't afford that at the time, but you don't know one thing, they use them for go school and so forth, so I could leave it back to school too. You know? So anyway, still, the reason why I invest into this, right? I'm definitely gonna shoot some more outdoor video before the winter come in, right? I don't want the winter to come in and I don't get some more outdoor video, right? So I went ahead and purchased this today. As you can see, it's sealed, so I haven't pulled it yet. So you're gonna be the first and I'm gonna be the first to see it, right? So let's go ahead and get this open. Try and get off the plastic first. What the hell? Holy! Oh yeah. This is a guys, I'm the first unboxing video, you know, so just see me. I'm mash the box while I'm going out here. I don't have a tape, so I'm not even see the tape. I swear. Oh, no. Yeah, nice. Guys, if you ever see all this small, whoa. Yo, this look cute. Look neat, watch out. Look how it's small. Yo, this neat. Whoa. Guys, alright. You see the first DJI Mini, right? It shoot in 2.7K. Which is a good drone and so forth, but the new one is shooting at 4K, so you know you get the high resolution, right? Yeah man, it's nice, man, I love it. I swear, I love it. I'm looking baby right there, so I swear. Alright, so right here, I think this is a connection to connect the phone, yeah. This have to connect the phone. Alright, I have a little screwdriver here so we can change the propeller them, alright? And I have some extra propeller. Them actually give me 2 extra propeller in case them damage. And these are the stick for the control, to actually control the drone, right? Alright, so guys, here you have the control now. Nice, the control big. Control actually bigger than the drone, you can believe that? Alright guys, this is the control. Alright. This is a part of the phone, look on it, you see it? That part of the phone and thing. This is the part where you put the, I think you plug the phone here. This is the part where you plug the phone to, right? I have a button right here, record button. Yeah man, this look nice. Alright, so here we have the unboxing right here, and I'm just gonna take it outside and see if I can fly this thing, because this will be the first time flying this. I hope I don't crash it, because honestly if I crash this, never ball, never cry. I swear to God, never cry. I swear, never cry. Ah boy, I'm just uncross. Pray. Alright, so I'll go outside and fly this thing. Yo, we outside. Yeah man. Alright guys. Yesterday I did the unboxing of the DJI Mini 2, right? The drone, right? I actually wanted to test fly it yesterday, but I didn't have any SD card. And it don't make sense a flight and can't show you guys the image that is capturing, right? No makes sense. So I went out to Walmart today and grabbed a SD card. So I'm just gonna do a test flight today. And as I'm saying, it's the first time I'm actually flying a drone, right? So I'm just crossing my finger I don't crash this thing. Because if I crash it, I'll be throwing away $600. You see me? So wouldn't be a nice thing. I tell you the honest truth, I swear. Alright guys. Alright, I actually have this little pouch, right? It's not the pouch that it come into. I didn't get a pouch with it because it's not the Fly More combo. If it's a Fly More combo, I will get a DJI pouch, right? I actually bought a projector and I got this little pouch with a projector. So I decided to use it for the drone. I'm actually going to place my gimbal right here, right? A DJI gimbal. And I have the control, I have a drone right over here, right? So I'm just going to go ahead and take the control out, right? And these are the gear stick for the control. So I'm just going to pop them out and screw them in like this. Take the other one out, screw it in, and I'm just going to pull this section out. This is the antenna guys, this is the antenna, this is what actually controls the drone right here. So I'm just going to pull this section out and pull this cable back, right, like that. And I'm actually going to place my phone at the top like this. See that? Alright, see it? Well secure and thing. And I'm just gonna plug the cable right in the side right here. Right? Let me unlock my phone, hold on. Alright. So I'm gonna go ahead and launch the DJI app. And I'm also gonna go ahead and turn my control on. Alright. I'm just rest this aside and take the drone out. Alright guys, so this is what the drone looking like. Look how small it is. Watch it, this is my hand. Look how small it is guys. Very small. Neat. I tell you, it's nice man. Look on it. See it? Alright, so I'm just gonna go ahead and pop the arms out like this, pop the other one out like that, and the two lower arms I'm gonna swing back like this. See it? And I'm gonna go ahead and take the lens cap off. This is to protect the lens, right, from damage. So I'm just gonna go ahead and squeeze right here and release. And this is the lens guys, look at it. It's actually a 4K lens, right? Alright, so I'm just gonna go ahead and turn my drone on now. So I'm gonna press once and then press on hold. Alright, so the drone is on now. See light start blink? Alright, so let's go ahead and fly this thing. Alright guys, so I'm just gonna go ahead and take off. See it guys? Look at it. Yeah, that's one of the baby right there. Alright. Sick. Alright, so I'll go ahead, raise it a little more. See it?
at least for tonight. It's been so long since I got so close to someone. I know this ain't love, but let me stay a while. And pull me closer tonight, keep holding my hand. I know this ain't love, but let me stay the night. I said let me stay a while. 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 And I said let me stay a while. I said let me stay a No, no, I don't need a degree to know this ain't love at first sight. 'Cause I know how this works, I got my ABCs right. Oh, so let's play.
Yeah guys, I'm actually nervous a while ago, I'm not lying, I swear. Yo, I couldn't see the drone, none at all. None, I couldn't see the drone. Right? The only thing I could have done was just look on the camera and try to guide it come back. You know? But yo, Jano, yo, it's bad. I'm not lying, I swear, it's bad. Bad. Bad man. I love it. I love it man. Baby, yo, you can't make nothing happen to this, you know. You know, like when you give a baby candy, that's how I feel right now, I swear. But bad man. Yeah. Go and chill, it's a nice day today and feel some little breeze, you know. Get some little nice little breeze and thing. Feel cool. Yeah man, so I'm gonna see if I can get a next little fly and capture some more image and thing. You know, I'm gonna see if I can fly a little lower towards some cricketer there and see if I can capture them a little better, you know. So, see what I'm going on.
What's it gonna take? Have another deep breath. Think before you say. Think before you say. Think before you say. I'll play the fool. You sit and wait. Awkward conversation. When's it gonna change? How has your day been? What else can I say? What else can I say? How else can I say?
So tell me what you think about a review, yeah. And if you buy one of them, if you invest in one of them, I think. See, it's a good investment still. For all you YouTubers, it's a good investment, trust me. Cost money, but in the end of the day, I think you'll make it back out of YouTube, right? So tell me what you think if you invest in one of them, yeah, right? Just hit me up in the comment section and let me know what you think about the video and thing. So until then, take care. I'm out.
I know that you're afraid. It feels like every day things are slipping away. You're slipping slipping away, and you think back to a time that you were lost. Thoughts disorganized, can't seem to dry your eyes, and chaos is collapsing from your mind. And you say that you're fine, but now you're out of time. Out of time.
What is life? Life is a journey, and sometimes in life you have to shake people off who tends to drain your energy in order to survive. Always remember, appreciate those who appreciate you, and you will get the appreciation you truly deserve. Love God, love life, live good, go.